Yeah.
So it's almost like all of us go through so many struggles, each of us in our own way. And I'm just here to remind us, as we live here, that energy we are giving you, are you taking it back, and are you infusing it to others? Because when you do that, actually our mission at Zydii has been lived. Our vision is for Zydii is to ignite prosperity through shared wisdom.
Just amazing. It was very engaging. We got to see how Zydii is using digital learning to transform how teams and organizations go about the training internally. And it was fun being able to interact with different people in the space, different people in the industries, and seeing how we can improve and empower our teams to do better and learn faster.
I'm glad to have been part and parcel of today's event organized by Zydii, and it's been a very interesting, very exciting event and opportunity to be able to meet.
So can you imagine how powerful the vision has to be, or how empowered people have to be, to actually miss a payroll? Like, I didn't get my salary this month, and it's not going to affect my work. I'm not going to say, I'm Janilipa, Jenge 11, and 1 hour back I'm out, And some people might do that, right? But if the team is not empowered, that's what happens. We are associating our entire productivity on what we're getting. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success.